everyone, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another haul, y'all. I feel like I'm doing like a haul every week, but I don't know. I'm just buying a lot of stuff for whatever reason. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the video. Now, as y'all could probably tell in the thumbnail, there is going to be a lot of stuff in this video. Even some of the stuff I didn't include because you've already seen it before, but I just like re-upped on stuff. So for example, one of the things that I bought some more of the Easy Precision, the stiletto tips from the Nail Secret. If you haven't seen my tips video, I'll put it up in the info card so you can click on it there. And then I also re-upped on my Easy Precision coffin nail tips, as well as I'll show this to you right here just because I have it here. But the little Nail Secret, the kits, and it's empty right now because I just finished doing nails, so I actually am cleaning my implements while I'm doing all this. Okay, so first thing that I picked up some more of these swatch sticks, simply because I needed these for my, I actually ran out, y'all. Like, I had 100 polishes and I was doing my Valentino swatches and I had ran out of one swatch stick and I was like, bruh. So I went ahead and I bought some more of these off Amazon. It was a pack of like 100, a pack of 200, I believe. No. Either 100 or 150 for like $6.99. But I got these off Amazon. So honestly, that's why I suggest you buy these from. Just buy them off Amazon real quick. Just find one that's cheap, but I really just got these for like $6.99, so it wasn't a big deal. And it's another bag of this, but I just put one up here because I didn't think I'll need to see both bags. Okay. Then after that, I guess I can get into a little bit about what I got from, let's continue with Amazon. So, okay, so this is another purchase I got off Amazon. My sister, she actually does art and she told me about this. And so I got these gold leaf foils. Like, y'all know how expensive these are, like just to get the ones in the little pack like this. So I was like, wow. And I use these colors a lot. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy these. And she said they work really well for her. And I've actually seen another nail artist, Vanessa, I don't know how to pronounce her name, I think it's Rico, but she uses these as well. So yeah, so that's why I picked these up, and I got these off Amazon as well. And then I'm just going to zoom in. Y'all just search up the name. It's Kino, I believe, or Kinno. And then yeah. Okay. So I think that, no, that doesn't conclude everything from Amazon. Getting ahead of myself. Now this is already slightly open because I did need buffers really bad. Like, I was all out of my buffers. So I bought these. It's 126 count of a buffer. Let me zoom it out right quick. Okay. Yeah, so it's 126 count of buffers. And I got this off of Amazon. And I want to say they were each like $6 or something like that for 126. It was like a really good buy. So I bought actually 3 of these. But I didn't feel like I needed to show y'all 3 of them because that'd be too much. So yeah. Okay. And then the next thing after that, I got these cotton wipes off Amazon. They're just lint-free wipes. So, and I think I bought, they said like 500 or no, 5,000 or something like that, y'all. I can't remember how many come in here, but no, it's 500. Yeah, 500 cotton wipes. So got those, and that concludes everything on Amazon. Yeah, so let me just move this out the way and we'll move on to the next part. Okay, and then I brought you guys back in close again. So the next thing I picked up, or that I got, was my subscription this month from House of Suppliez. So like the nail subscription. So it came with this little they're like little hearts, so that was cute. And these are triangles here, and then it also came with some more hearts, but they're just shaped differently than the other ones. Yeah, you guys can kind of see how they're like curved in, like right there on the side. Whereas these ones are just like the more, wait, that's triangles. These are the more like traditional shaped hearts. So that's the only difference with those. Aside from that, I got these in the box. So I was actually pretty excited to see these. So I got Chanel and then Louis Vuitton. Those came in the box. And then I also got these Mylar here. A couple of different colors. So I got green, I got a blue, pink, yellow, another yellow. So yeah, I honestly already have some like these, but they didn't come with this many in there, so I'll probably see if I can use these in a set. Okay, and then next up, I just got a couple of things from, I already got one thing from Valentino. So I got the gels, so the full gel line, and then I also got this diamond gel, but I didn't show this in the last video that I did with Valentino. So yeah, I bought this diamond gel. I actually pretty like it a lot, so I will go ahead and, I did use it in a video, my last video, so I'll go ahead and leave that up in the info cards as well. That way you all can get to that fairly easily. Okay, and then I think I already talked about this, but yeah, I also did get this from the Nail Secret along with my additional nail files and another one and a couple more of those kits. Okay, so next let's go ahead and get into what I got from Nail Supply Glamour. Or no. So actually I did buy some candles from Bath & Body Works. So I did do that, and I will say if you kind of want to cut down on the acrylic smell, I do suggest that you open up your window, get like a really strong smelling candle and burn that while you're doing the nails, and then aside from that, just have like a fan or something sucking the air out and through towards the window. But for me, my favorite scent is actually this really fruity scent, if I can get it out. And it's watermelon lemonade. I got it in the Amazing Mom because it was 50% off this way, and y'all, I was not paying what normally like $20-some for a candle, so yeah. But if you get it like in the other way it looks, I know this was last year's version of it, but I got watermelon lemonade. This was last year's. And y'all can see like I've basically burnt this down. But yeah. Okay, and then next up I have the rest of my stuff from Nail Supply Glamour. So let me zoom you guys out and I'll be right back. Okay, so the first thing I got was this glow acrylic powder from Glam and Glitz, but I bought it off Nail Supply Glamour. I actually used it in a set. I think it was fairly pretty. It has like a glittery tint to it, and I didn't know it was glittery until I got it, but it's really pretty, and it glows like a very like light purple sort of. So yeah, and I didn't have a color that glowed like purple, pink to purple, so I thought that was cool. I also picked up some hand sanitizer. I bought 2 of these, but again, I'm just showing you one. Okay. I also bought another thing of monomer. I bought 2 of these, but yeah, so I'm only showing you one here again. I got me another Mia Secret nail prep because I'm almost out of my other one. I got the nail brush cleaner from Nail Supply Glamour. I bought 2 of these. I've been trying to get my hands on this for a long time, but it was always sold out. So I'm going to try it out and let you guys know what I think. But I definitely just wanted one that was more cost effective. So I'm going to definitely try this one out. And then I just got some more clear acrylic powder. This is an 8 ounce. I do already have the, the one that's like a big one. It's like 1.5 pounds. But it's like halfway done, and I had to refill it my 4-ounce one, and they didn't have these in stock, so I was just trying to get whatever I could get, really. Okay, and then last thing I got was these lint-free table covers from Supply Glamour. And I got these because I noticed that when I use my the blue Scotch paper towels and I film, it sometimes messes up the way the colors look. So I wanted to get something white because I figured that would help whenever I'm filming. So I'm going to use these when I'm filming, but still use my Scotch ones when I'm just doing like nail sets and I'm not filming anything. So yeah. And then I guess I can show you what I got from Michaels. Don't judge it too much. It's not like straight anymore. But again, I just finished doing a nail set, so I'm gonna show you that real quick. Okay, everyone. So I did, like I said, I was gonna show you my cart that I got from Michaels. So I got this. It cost me about $29, but then I also had a coupon code, and it was about 20% off. And it was just one they had. So yeah. So again, I just really organized it to keep more of my stuff in here. Stuff I know I reach for a lot. So example, I have some masks here, I have gloves, I have a paper towel holder, a thing of acetone, my liquid, nail dry spray, my clear coat powder, monomer. Honestly, I just put this stuff back in there because I didn't want to show it to you all messy. And then I have the stuff I showed you here. You've already seen what this looks like. A lot of the stuff you guys have already seen. These are just my top coats and like extra bonders and primers, especially for different brands. So like Valentino, Secret, all that stuff. And then down here, I have where I keep my files. I actually just ordered some new ones. I need to re-put new files in here. Like, no, this one's not. Yeah. So, yeah. And I put some buffers down there. So I usually keep these are my 100 files. I usually have the big 80 grit ones, but I had to buy some off Amazon, and those will be coming soon. And so I have another haul coming up. These are my silk off clips that I keep in here. I just keep some cotton balls here. I keep my nail forms, my nail tips back here, the straight ones, and then I have the stiletto and then the cotton. And then moving down to the bottom, I have the Secret I just showed you. I have my Clorox cleaning wipes. Put it on the table real quick. I have, I always keep my Secret, my clear powder. I have my monomer here. I'm gonna turn it around. I keep my gel lamp down here at the bottom. Let's see, I have my Lysol here. 7% isopropyl alcohol. I also have my barbicide back here in the back, just chilling. I have my nail house liquid, and I'm actually gonna do a video on that. So yeah, I do like this. I wish I would have bought two, so I'm probably gonna go back and get another one, just because I like it, and I think I'm gonna have one for like a filming cart. But yeah, so it's actually been really helpful. I just keep it right beside my desk and all that stuff, so it's really good, you guys. And yeah, so let's move into the last part of the haul. And then, like I said, I did go to Michaels, and they had a really big, nice sale on their Swarovski, so it was actually like buy one, get one half off. And so this is about how much I spent, you guys, on the Swarovski and the cart in total. So I spent a little nice amount, but I also said I got 20% off and then like another 15%, because before it was like 200 and something, so it was a pretty good deal. So yep. Okay, so if you have a Swarovski, you have a Michaels, go there and go check out their Swarovski, because they're normally on sale. And especially bead stores. Bead stores are really good too. So I will be doing a video where I like show you guys all the Swarovski I get and like how I organize them. So wait for that video to come out. But really nice, hefty amount. Like I think I got a pretty good amount for how much I spent. And I think like these are just like my favorite ones. Do y'all see that? Like look how pretty these are. Gosh, these are also so pretty. So yeah, I got a couple different colors. I already have these. These are the ones I actually used in my last video. I used the, let's see if I can show you. It's these ones right here. These are the ones I used. And again, I got these from Michael's. And let me see, what ones are these? It doesn't exactly say which one it actually is, but they're very pretty. So, yeah. I don't know. I just have a lot of like really cute ones, so I like those. I don't have any brown ones, so I was trying to find ones I didn't have, and they actually had a pretty good selection at this store, so that was nice. And I was able to get some I didn't have before. So, didn't have any brown. I really didn't have any yellow or like this sort of color like red. And I didn't have any of this type of red either. And I got that in this size and then also in a bigger size. So I had some of these, but I was running low. What's this one? Oh, I didn't have any of this color blue, and I wanted some of those. Oh, I definitely wanted these opal ones. Like, I was looking for some opal, and these are so pretty. Oh, and these ones have like a little bow sort of thing. So I was thinking about like something I could do like a set with these. I'm not sure what I'll do, but I just wanted some of those. Again, some more red because I didn't have any. These are very pretty blue ones. I guess these like some like, I don't know, like ocean nails or something. We'll see. And some more blue. I probably want to go back if they have more or not. I bought a lot of the ones they had in there, so. But the lady told me they're going to be restocking soon, so let me go back and see. Yeah, I think these are pretty too. Like, this reminds me of that movie, the one with what's Anne Hathaway in it, and it's about like she was like a princess or whatever. I don't know. This is really pretty too. Let's see, got these little small ones. Again, these are like a light rose AB. Very pretty. What else? Ah, these ones. I think I showed you guys these ones already. No, I showed you these ones. But yeah. Oh, I got some more of these. Some black. Some more green. Some more crystal. I'm actually going to buy some Blue Street crystals as well because I need more crystal AB. Like, I'm running so low, it's ridiculous. So I'm going to buy some more of those. But other than that, that kind of completes everything that I bought. And again, I'll be showing you guys how to organize these in another video. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.